What if I told you that the most powerful currency in the world, the US dollar, is made in such a safe location? Not even the employees fully understand what goes on in every room. Every door scans your identity, cameras are prohibited, and a single error has the power to shut down the entire building. Today, we're heading inside the secret dollar factory, a place where billion-dollar machinery, technology, and security combine to produce the world's most protected and counterfeit money. Stay tuned, because the most startling aspect isn't how money is made, but rather what happens to the billions of dollars that don't pass the test. Number 8. Born in silence, inside the dollar factory, everything begins in total secrecy. Even employees are unaware of what occurs outside of their assigned area due to the extremely high level of security. Not a single phone, not one camera, no visitors. Silent overhead cameras monitor every movement, and many identity checks are required at every entrance. The process of generating the most reliable currency in the world starts in a controlled environment where even a whisper feels dangerous, because a single mistake in this building might shut down an entire level. Number 7. Art you can't copy. Before the ink even touches the cotton linen paper, the dollar is a piece of hand-engraved artwork etched into steel. Master engravers use tools sharper than surgical blades to carve lines so small they are nearly discernible under a microscope. It may take several months or even over a year to perfect these engravings. The problem is that many of these components are deliberately hidden inside the artwork, making it challenging for printers or scanners to capture them. As a result, the US dollar is now a sculpture that cannot be created, rather than merely a kind of money. Number 6. Paper that isn't paper. The dollar's paper is actually a sophisticated fabric made of 75% cotton and 25% linen, the same material used to make military-grade clothing. It is strong enough to endure years of use, folding, and machine washing. Since the haphazard red and blue fibers are woven into the material rather than printed on top, any fakes are instantly visible. Like a weapon, every sheet is also tracked and recorded independently. If only one sheet is lost, the entire building is put under emergency lockdown until it is found. Number 5. Ink with superpowers. There is nothing in the world like the ink used on dollars. Certain inks change color depending on the angle. Some glow when exposed to UV light, and some are made to solidify into a raised texture when subjected to extreme heat. Only 2 chemists are allowed to travel together, because some formulas are so secret that only they are aware of the entire recipe. No matter how sophisticated commercial printing technology is, it is practically impossible to duplicate this ink's particular reactions with cotton fibers. Number 4. The 20-ton press. Once the artwork and ink are ready, the sheets move into the legendary intaglio press, a machine powerful enough to crush metal. It applies nearly 20 tons of force enough pressure to bind the ink deep into the fibers and create the iconic raised texture you feel on real money. This texture isn't just design, it's a security feature that counterfeiters have failed to copy for decades. Home printers can imitate colors, but they can't replicate the 3D touch that comes from these million-dollar machines. Number 3, serial numbers that tell stories. Every dollar is born with its own identity. The serial number reveals where it was printed, which Federal Reserve District requested it, and even which specific batch it came from. This tracking system is so precise that the BEP knows exactly which notes should exist before they ever leave the facility. If a single number is out of sequence or missing, it sparks an immediate investigation. In other words, every bill carries a story, and the government knows every chapter. Number 2, Laser Judgment Day. Before the bills are cut and packed, they must pass the most ruthless inspection system on the planet. High-speed, high-resolution cameras scan each sheet, capturing up to 100 images of every bill in milliseconds. The system checks for the tiniest flaw. LL is instantly rejected and shredded. Billions of dollars are destroyed every year at this stage, not because they're fake, but because they're not perfect. Number 1, the final lockdown. Once approved, the fresh bills are cut into individual notes and stacked into bundles, bricks, and massive cash packs worth millions. These are placed inside armored vaults protected by steel barriers, biometric scanners, and the famous two-person rule: no one, not even the highest level employee, can be alone with loose currency. The money then moves to Federal Reserve vaults, where it waits untouched, unseen until banks request it. Only then does a dollar finally reach the outside world. The dollar in your pocket now feels different, doesn't it? Because behind every note lies a world of secrets you were never meant to see. If you want more hidden truths like this,